Hi students, Mr. Metelsky here, and this video will be covering how to successfully open, work on, and submit a Google document. So whatever course you're in, you'll have assignments, and sometimes your teachers will make you complete them on Google Documents. For instance, in my pre-algebra course, there's an assignment called Writing and Evaluating Expressions. So you'll notice at the top of mine, there's a link for the actual worksheet, Writing and Evaluating Expressions assignment link. So I'll click on that and it will open the worksheet up. Now here's the key. Sometimes your teacher will just show you the link to the master copy and you will not be able to edit this. So what you need to do is go to File, Make a Copy. And you want to put it in a folder. Hopefully you have an organized Google Drive. So for me, I'm going to put it in my math class folder for this school year, and I'm going to make a copy. So now I can work directly on the document. Now here's the key. You need to share that with us somehow. So in order to do that, you're going to go up to the top right-hand corner where it says Share, click on the link, and then you will add the email address of your teacher. So if you're adding it for me, you will type in Adam Metelsky at students.bvapa.org, and you will allow this person to view, and then you'll send. Okay? That way, make sure you click send. I'm not going to just because it's my own account. That will then allow your teacher to see it once you've shared it with them or once you've submitted it. Now let's go back to the actual assignment page. When it comes time to submit, you are going to submit a Google file. There is a button down underneath attachments that says Google File. You will click that button, make sure it's selected to pick one, and then you will choose your Google file. You'll find the correct folder. For me, it's My Math Class. You'll find the correct worksheet, and you'll see it pops up here, and then you'll click Submit. And that will then notify your teacher that you have completed the document or completed the assignment, and they'll be able to successfully view it. Please do not email us work directly through email. Make sure that you complete it through the assignments and include it on the assignment submission page as each teacher has requested. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.